Welcome to Lesson 71. Today we'll learn how to debug and verify SQLite operations in Tauri. We'll inspect the database, query it from the command line, and add println debugging. First, let us verify we have SQLite CLI installed. Rust and Cargo are ready. Node.js and npm are installed. Prerequisites complete. Where does Tauri store the SQLite database? On macOS, it's in the Library Application Support folder. Let us look for our Article Debugger app folder. The folder name matches your app's bundle identifier. Here is our articles DB file. The file command confirms it's a SQLite 3 database. Here are the database paths for each platform. Now let us explore the database using the SQLite 3 command line tool. We open the database by passing the file name to SQLite 3. The .tables command lists all tables in the database. Schema shows the create table statement for our articles table. Let us enable headers and column mode for better formatting. Select star from article shows all our data. We can select specific columns to see just what we need. Count tells us how many articles exist. You can also run queries directly from the command line. Now let us add println statements to our Rust backend for debugging. Here is our article commands rs file. We'll add debug output to the add article function. We print the function name as a marker. Then we log the incoming title, content length, and author. Let us also add markers to get articles. And delete article to see when items are removed. Save the file and check our changes with grep. The println output appears in the terminal running cargo. Now let us see the complete verification workflow in action. The app is on the left and the SQLite 3 CLI is on the right. First, we click Load Articles to see what is in the database. The query shows us the existing articles in the database. Now let us delete all articles to start with a clean slate. After clearing, the database shows 0 articles. Time to add a fresh article. We enter the title, content, and author. Click Add Article, and the data is saved to SQLite. The CLI query confirms our new article exists in the database. Now let us update this article. Click Edit to modify it. We change the title and click Update. The updated title is now reflected in the database. Finally, let us delete the article. After deletion, the database is empty again. This workflow verifies each CRUD operation: create, read, update, and delete. Always verify your database operations with CLI queries during development. All operations confirmed successfully. Let us explore some more advanced SQL queries for debugging. We can filter articles by author using where clause. Like with wildcard searches within text fields. Date functions help find articles created today. Group by counts articles per author. Order by with limit shows the most recent entries. We can even export data to CSV for backups. One-liner commands are great for scripts. Finally, let's cover common database issues and how to debug them. Database locked errors usually mean another connection is open. Database not found? Check the app data directory path. Schema mismatch happens when the table structure changes. Data not persisting? Ensure using correct path and check permissions. Pragma integrity check verifies the database is healthy. The database file is writable. To reset for testing, simply delete the database file. The app will recreate it. Let us recap what we learned about SQLite debugging in Tauri. The database file is stored in the APPDATA directory. Use SQLite CLI commands like tables schema, and select to inspect data. Add println statements to log function calls and variable values. The complete workflow: perform an action in the UI, check println output, then verify with CLI queries. Use Pragma integrity check for database health, and delete the file to reset. These techniques will save you hours of debugging time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Tauri tutorials.